In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal in Proposify. Start by opening a fresh browser tab and searching for Proposify. Click the first official result to land on the home page, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, take a minute to set your foundation. Head to Settings, then Company Info, and enter your company name, address, website, and upload a clean, high-resolution logo. This ensures every proposal you build has consistent branding out of the gate. Next, set up your client details so the system can personalize content automatically. Go to Clients, choose New Account, and then Add New Contact. Fill in the recipient's name, company, and email. Capturing this information here means Proposify can pull it into the document later without you retyping it. Now it's time to choose your starting point. Visit the Content Library and open templates to browse industry-specific layouts. These boilerplates include common sections like About Us and Terms, making it easy to move quickly. If your layout is highly unique, you can also start from a blank document. With a template selected, use the drag-and-drop editor to tailor the proposal to your prospect. Replace sample text with your pitch, swap images, and adjust colors to match your brand. Use the left-hand menu to reorganize the structure. Add, remove, or reorder sections, such as a cover page, an executive summary, deliverables, and team bios, so your story flows logically. To personalize at scale, insert variables like client.company name or contact names. When you assign the proposal to a contact, these fields update automatically, reducing errors and saving time. Add a pricing table to make buying simple. Include clear line items, optional add-ons, and editable quantities if that fits your sales model. This flexibility often improves close rates, and it helps clients configure the package that suits them. Double-check currency, taxes, and any discounts before moving on. Enhance your proposal with visuals. Embed videos or images from the content library to showcase portfolios, demos, or case studies. Keep assets relevant and sized appropriately to maintain fast loading. Before sending, confirm the document is both legally and visually ready. Proofread, verify brand consistency, and review terms and signature requirements with your team if needed. Use Preview to see the proposal exactly as your client will. Check links, pricing interactions, and mobile readability. When everything looks good, click Share or Send to generate a secure, trackable link. Add a short, friendly message, choose your recipient, and send. You can monitor views, time spent, and engagement to plan timely follow-ups. That's it. You've created a polished proposal in Proposify.